welcome back to the channel. Today we are working on a 2012 Dodge Charger. First you're going to start off by removing the air box. There are 3 8mm screws as well as a 10mm screw to get that box out of the way. Next you're going to want to blow all the debris away from the coil pack boots. Then remove the 2 10mm bolts holding on the first coil pack, and also remove the coil pack wire. After that, you're going to take your spark plug socket and start removing them by hand. Do not use impacts or you do risk damaging the spark plug. Once you're ready to install the new spark plug, you're going to put some anti-seize on the threads. Also gap them to 0.04. And once you get them tight into the block, you're going to tighten them 1/16 of a turn, recommended by the factory on the box. All in all, this job took about an hour. I had a buddy on the other side removing the coil packs while I took the old spark plugs out and installed the new ones. It made the job go a lot quicker. Upcoming, you're going to see one of the spark plugs that we actually took out. It was completely loose in the head. Also, when we extracted the spark plug, the electrodes on the end were completely missing. Luckily, it either passed through the engine or we don't know what happened exactly, but I did bore the cylinder and no damage was found in the cylinder. Once you're done wrapping up your last spark plugs, make sure all your wires are connected, your coil packs are tightened down, reinstall your air filter, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching.